Why do we take 2.5% equity? We don't charge fees or take board seats. We take 2.5% equity because we believe you're building something extraordinary. That small share keeps us fully aligned, and it gives you unlimited access to the kind of support that most startups only dream about, like full access to top-tier lawyers, HR experts, marketing pros, pitch coaches, and much more. You'll have a dedicated team in your corner every day for whatever you need, and there's no hourly rates, no retainers, and no budgeting headaches. You may never owe us a penny, and that's the risk that we take, but if you win, so do the next generation of entrepreneurs. Any return we do see goes right back into the ecosystem, fueling founder programs, funding scholarships, and helping the next bold ideas take flight. So when you succeed, you're not just growing your company, you're opening doors for future founders too. 2.5% equity, no fees, no strings, just skin in the game, and a commitment to pay success forward.